In this Ansys innovation course, we will learn about some basic viscous flows. Viscosity is an intrinsic property of every fluid, from the oils used to lubricate gears and other moving parts in machines, to the water we like to swim in when going to the beach. It is very important to study and understand the physical impact of viscosity on fluid flows. Viscosity is inherent in the Navier-Stokes equations that govern the fluid motion. In this course, we will start from these equations and employ certain simplifying assumptions to study the concepts of laminar internal and external flows. Through hands-on simulation examples and homeworks such as blood flow inside human body and airflow over a car shape, you will learn about the basics of laminar viscous flows using Ansys Fluent.